Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Walmart grocery pickup service. In addition to showing you guys how it works step by step. Quick side note, if you want $10 off on your first Walmart grocery order over $50 or more, feel free to use my referral link in the description below. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously order your groceries. So I'm on the Walmart app and I'm going to click on the very top where it says pickup and delivery. And at the top here, you can see that I already have a Walmart selected that I want to pick up from. So be sure to set that to the closest Walmart to you or wherever you want to pick up your groceries from. So next, you're going to want to reserve a time. So you could choose to see times. I'm going to click on that. As you can see, there's no pickup times available for today. That's because you usually have to order in probably at least 24 hours. Let's go to tomorrow. And you can see that I have several options here. So as you can see at the very top, it gives me a time slot at a different Walmart. If I wanted to pick up my groceries at that time, I would have to go to that Walmart. But these times down here from 8 to 2 p.m., you can see it doesn't give you another listing for a different Walmart. So it's going to be the Walmart that you had set. So let's say I'm going to pick up my groceries from 9 to 10 a.m. So I would click on that. I'm not going to order today, but I just want to show you guys that's how you do it. So after you've selected your time slot, you can see at the very bottom right, you can see that you have a cart and the minimum amount that you need to order is $35. So I just have a running list of things that I need. Every time that I realize I need something, I'll just come on to the Walmart app, add it to my cart, and then once I reach that $35 threshold, at that point is when I'll reserve a time, and then after 24 hours or however much time later on is when I'll actually go pick up the item. I don't actually need this, but I'm just going to add it to the cart just to show you guys. All right, so now I have over $35 worth and it's allowing me to check out. So I would hit that checkout option down below and you just follow the screen prompts. I don't want to check out because I don't want to accidentally buy that triple strength vitamin. So I'm going to remove that from my cart by clicking on the 1 and hitting the minus, and it's going to be gone from my cart. Okay, so my order time is between 7 and 8. As you can see at the top, it is 7:08. I'm going to click on check-in before I head to the store just so that they're ready for me and expecting me. So after I click check-in on the main part of the Walmart app, I could click check-in again here. And as you can see, park by the orange pickup signs, tell them your parking spot and car color, no need to call. They'll know when you're there and they'll bring you your order. After you've checked in, this is the screen that you'll see. So you just want to make sure that you actually get there within your time slot. They'll tell me that the pickup will close at 8. And at this point, we're going to head over to that Walmart. And it also tells you about how much time it's going to take for you to get there. So 8 minutes for me to drive to Walmart. Not too bad. Okay, so as you can see here, I am driving to Walmart. It's actually pretty dark, so I wasn't able to get the best footage, but you can see that there's that pickup sign over on the left-hand side of the Walmart building. Walmarts could be different. I'm not too sure where each pickup location is per Walmart, but you'll see the orange pickup sign. So we're going to head that way. So there's the orange pickup sign, as clear as day, where you're supposed to pick up your Walmart grocery order. So we're just going to turn right in here and you're going to look out for the orange parking sign. So right there, as you can see, pick up right there, clear as day. Now you're going to look for the orange parking spots, and my window is a little bit tinted, so you'll see it once I pull in here. Okay, so as you can see, I am pulled into spot number 7, and I'm going to go back to my Walmart app. Okay, so I'm back onto my Walmart app. As you can see, I'm here. I just need to tell them what parking number I'm at, and I'm at spot number 7, and the color of my car is silver. So after I tell them that, they have all the information they need to come out and actually put the order in my vehicle. Now, right now, due to COVID, they're actually just telling you to open up your trunk and they'll actually put your groceries in your trunk for you. Now, I didn't want to film the person putting the groceries in my car. I thought that would be pretty weird, but as you can see, there's multiple spots that they'll deliver your groceries. So here I am back at home, and I am very impressed with the way that they bagged everything. I actually got some chicken and they put it in 2 separate bags and it was pretty cool, pretty removed from everything else, so I didn't have any chicken juice leaking on anything else. And as you can see, they do a good job bagging the heavy stuff, the refrigerated stuff, and I also got some tissues here, so they wanted to make sure my tissue boxes wasn't crushed. Got some aluminum foil, non-stick of course. Got myself some hot sauce and some ranch dressing. So they did a really good job separating everything, and they did not put the 6-packs in bags, which is fine because, you know, they don't really need to be in bags, but very impressed with the way they bagged everything and was able to get everything in the trunk of my vehicle. And I was in and out in less than, I would say, 5 minutes, which is very impressive. And I am very happy with the service overall. Quick side note, I also got some asparagus, and they did put it in another bag as well. So they treat their produce pretty well here. And sorry for the way that the video is showing here. I must have messed up when I initially started recording. That's why you're seeing the black bars. Well, yeah, in conclusion, like I said, all you have to do in order to actually use the Walmart pickup feature is download the Walmart app. You have to add all of your groceries onto the cart, and then you'll choose the Walmart that you want to pick up your groceries at, reserve a time slot, purchase your item, and then go over to Walmart, the pickup area section, and parking spot, tell them what number and the color of your vehicle, and they'll throw everything into your car for you completely for free. Right now, this is not a part of the Walmart Plus subscription feature. I'm not sure if that's going to be added on in the future, but for right now, anybody could do this. You don't need to subscribe to anything. As long as you have the Walmart app, you could just do it now. I wonder if it's for free just because of COVID, or if this is always going to be a free feature. I hope it is, because this is definitely going to save me a lot of time, and throughout the week I could just add on things to the Walmart app that I need to pick up. So let me know what you guys think about the Walmart grocery pickup feature in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.